One thing I always say is work smarter, not harder. If you aren't using the Solo app, then you may be working harder. So let's change that. Download the app, link your accounts where you can manage your income, track your expenses, and project your taxes. Not only that, but you can plan by optimizing your time, make more, and even guarantee your daily pay with guaranteed earnings. Download Solo and begin to work smarter, not harder today. Link is in the description. All right, let's get back to it.
All right, but let's move on. Let's talk about Uber Pro gas cap. Ooh, if you didn't know the gas rewards were capped, they are.
I didn't.
I didn't either. I didn't see anything in the fine print that said that they were capped.
This is what we do, okay? This is, you guys are my eyes and ears. You send it to me, and then I go to Uber. I go, what the fuck? And then Uber comes back and says, yeah, there's a $105 cap. I go, what kind of useless bullshit is that? They go, well, it's not useless, Serge. This is the conversation we had with Uber. They go, it's not useless, Serge. Okay, I go, I misspoke. It's not completely useless, but a full-time driver will run out or go over that 105 in a couple of weeks minimum. And then now 2 weeks, they're eating it. I go, what good is your Pro card gas benefits if there's a fucking cap on it? And then I went to Lyft. I go, hey, Lyft, Uber has a cap on the Uber Pro debit cards gas rebate. Do you guys have one? They go, hold on, let's check. They checked, they came back. No, Lyft Direct debit card does not have a cap. So if you guys are suffering with high gas prices and after a certain number, you're not getting more cash back, if you're using the Uber Pro debit card, that is, which I don't know how many of you are, there is a $105 cap, folks. So once you reach $105 or $104 and change, do not use the Uber Pro debit card. Use Upside, use some other app or some other card that you have a rebate on, because Uber's not going to pay you over $105. I asked Uber, I go, is it because of the bank that you're issuing these cards through, or is it Uber's decision to keep it at 105? Because this is like, because they boasted saying that, oh, we're going to extend the things for 2 months and you can make $1 back on each gallon of shit. Well, a full-time driver will go through $105 in like 10 days, or maximum 2 weeks. So there is a limit. Watch the limit.
So you know, if that's going to be you, or if you think you're going to hit that $105, then yeah, just change your approach on how you're doing things in order to continue getting gas savings when it comes down to it. So there's a lot of different things you can potentially do, but just make sure that you are aware of that. Lyft also currently does not have any cap, but they could change that if, you know, things stay a little bit higher, because, you know, if they're going to renew it or something, they could add some sort of gas cap in when it comes to cash back. So just be aware of those things when it comes down to it.
If you're multi-apping and you have both Uber Pro debit card and Lyft Direct debit card, once you get to about 105, stop using Uber Pro debit card. If you're multi-apping and using both, you have both, let's say, start using the Lyft one, or just use the Lyft one, whatever. I mean, whichever you're getting the better deal. So.
All right, thanks for watching. That short little clip was from our live stream, Show Me the Money Club with Sergio and myself, Tuesdays, 6 p.m. Eastern, 3 p.m. Pacific. Make sure you subscribe, turn on all notifications so you'll be notified when we go live, as well as all of our awesome content. Make sure to check out this video right here, which will take you to the entire live stream, or check out this video right there. All right, drive smart, everyone.